Hey guys, Shar Ayeria, your Bay Area realtor here. Yes, my last name rhymes with Bay Area. I'm back with another home tour, and today we're stepping into this absolute gem in Sunnyvale, California. And trust me, you're in for a treat. Let's start with the outside. Talk about curb appeal. It's an absolute head turner. The front facade and the entryway has this Japanese yakusoge wood that gives it a unique and modern vibe. Now, once you step inside, get ready to be wowed. High ceilings everywhere, ranging from 14 to 18 feet, giving you all the space vibes. Let's hit the kitchen first. We've got coastline cabinets, Cambria quartz countertops, and Bertazzoni appliances. This chef's kitchen is ready for some serious cooking action. Maybe a little stir-fry moment, or if you're like me and you're into pasta, this is where that magic happens. And guess what? The dining room is just a few steps away. Talking about convenience level, it's a solid 10 out of 10. Now, let's chill in the living room. Check out this modern, sleek, wet bar, ready for any drink you fancy without leaving the conversation. Also, we've got this charming floor-to-ceiling Venetian plaster electric fireplace. And it's not just a fireplace, it's a statement piece, especially when it's on with the color-changing flames. Let's talk about shops for a little bit, shall we? Because who doesn't love convenience? And lucky you, Sunnyvale Town Center is just around the corner. Perfect for all your shopping cravings. Now, if you're into local vibes, Murphy Avenue is the spot. Bars, restaurants, and some seriously tasty food are waiting for you. For your groceries, Safeway is nearby. And if you're a nature lover, the Bay Trail is just a hop away. Back to the house. Let's talk extras. We've got an indoor laundry with a new washer and dryer, with tons of cabinets and storage space for your linens and towels. Also, the whole house has water filtration system, which is in the garage, as you can see on the right-hand side. And here we've got our water heater and HVAC unit right in the corner. Also, check out the epoxy floors, and there's an EV hookup right here too that's going to make charging your electric ride easier than ever. Another cool feature of the house that I want to mention is the automated shades. Instead of getting up to adjust the shades, you can just press a button on the remote and voila! Instant shade action. Speaking of convenience, this house is tech savvy. Wi-Fi capable garage doors, exterior door locks, and even a camera system with a security camera doorbell. Your home's got eyes everywhere. This home is a true beauty, featuring a chic modern design, chef's kitchen, a cozy backyard, infamous solar system, and many more awesome features. It is not just a house, it's a lifestyle. And if you would like to see this beauty in person, just reach out to me and I'll arrange a private tour for you. For families with kids, let's talk schools. Sunnyvale has some excellent school districts. Laurelwood Elementary and Cupertino Middle School are nearby, offering top-notch education for our younger ones. Alright guys, if you're fallen in love already, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more home tours. And if you're thinking of making a move in the Bay Area, whether it's buying or selling, go ahead and reach out to me and I'll be happy to help. Now, let's talk a little bit about what makes living here so special. Like I mentioned before, you'll find all your daily essentials just a hop away at your nearby Safeway. And for your morning coffee fix, Starbucks is just around the corner. If you're looking for a great place to grab a bite, how about trying Dish Dash for some amazing Middle Eastern cuisine? After all that delicious food, you might be thinking about staying fit. Don't worry, we've got an array of fitness studios and gyms nearby. Check out Orange Theory for a high energy workout, or head over to 24 Hour Fitness if you prefer a more traditional gym setting. Now, let's talk green spaces and outdoor activities. Sunnyvale is known for its beautiful parks, and one of my favorites nearby is Raynor Park. And Cerro Park is a local favorite, perfect for picnics and soaking up some sunshine. If you're a proud dog parent, you'll also love Las Palmas Dog Park and Fair Oaks Park. They're a fantastic spot for your furry friends to socialize and burn off some energy. Now, when it comes to shopping, El Camino Real has your back, a mix of boutiques and major retailers for every kind of shopper. And in case you didn't know, Sunnyvale is the headquarters for tech giants like Yahoo, LinkedIn, AMD, and a bunch of other industry leaders. This city is practically buzzing with innovation and opportunities. All right, guys, that's a wrap for today. Thank you for joining me on this home tour. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to see more exclusive home tours in the Bay Area. Like this video if you did, and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, I'm Shar Ayeria, your Bay Area realtor. Happy holidays and happy house hunting.